All right. Hi, guys. This is Miss Jessie. Just wanted to show you real quick how to find your assignments for my classes. You want to make sure that you are in itsLearning. I usually go through ClassLink just to make sure everything's working the right way. And then from the home screen, if you haven't done this already, you want to make sure that you have starred Honors Government. If you haven't, you have to look down here at other courses and it should be down there. But once you have starred on Honors Government, then you can go to courses and choose it from the drop-down menu. Once you are on your overview screen, I'll show you what yours looks like. All right, yours should look something like this. Once you're on the overview screen, notice you have some things due today, due later. You've got today's plan, but that will be gone after today. So you'll have to know where to look for it if you're finishing anything up tomorrow from a previous day. You also want to make sure that you read the announcements, especially the most recent ones. So the one from yesterday and earlier on yesterday, those are very important because that has to do with what we are doing this week with virtual learning. And then this was a note for the at-home students last week. So we don't have a lot of announcements that you would need to sort of get up to speed with how we're doing things. But once you've made sure that you've looked at any announcements, you're ready to get to work on your assignments, click on plans. Make sure you're in the correct unit. Right now, the correct unit is unit 1. After that, the correct unit will be unit 2. Once you're in the correct unit, you can look right here. This is what we did last week on Tuesday. There's your resources and activities, but you know exactly what day that's for. And that's important because the older they get, the less, the more important it is to get that taken care of. There is the lesson from January 6th. And those are your assignments: opening, work period, closure, and then some need to know information right there. On January 10th, which was yesterday, this is what we did. Okay. And then for today, this is our opening, this is our work period, this is our exit ticket, just like if we were in class. And then just a reminder about your optional Zoom meeting for tutorial. If you're ever out, you can find that on the home screen. I'll show you in a little bit. And then you notice here, there's a note for Thursday that the assignments aren't uploaded yet, but they will be ready by 7:30 a.m. on Thursday. And going back to the overview page. So if it's a different week and you're out, but you want to have a little bit more, live communication with me, I have virtual tutorials available during 2:45 and 3:30 p.m. So reach out to me there. Or if that day doesn't work and it really is something that can't wait, then message me. We'll work something out. Okay. Be sure to let me know if you have any questions, concerns, whatever. That's what the message thing is for right there. You do not need to message hi, I'm here, or anything like that, because I'll get that as I'll get a report that you were on itsLearning as you are going. So as long as you work that day, you're marked present. If you're not feeling well or you couldn't get on a particular day, that might be where you might need to message me and say, hey, I was working on the assignments from yesterday, and we'll work something out as needed on a case-by-case basis with that one. All right. Again, any questions, let me know, and take care. Miss you. Hopefully we'll see you soon.